State Secretary from the Ministry of Trade, Tourism and Telecommunications, Mr. Stefan Tuj, and Vice President of Serbian Norwegian Business Forum, business people and academics who are present here today.
Thank you. Here it is. Ministry, my college, and also over here, as well as the company. They had discussions about the Norwegian Chamber of Commerce in Serbia for around the last, I think, 4 or 5 years, at least since I came last year. We have had at least 3 different ideas how to do it. But always been some obstacles, and at least we have succeeded. We have not only managed to get all the people come here today, but we have had an increasing number of companies propose us. The purpose of this business forum is to get the system from the Chamber of Commerce and the 2 ministers of trade. I'll just say that we will try to help you in your lunch. So thank you very much for coming, and I hope this meeting will be as successful as we expect. But as I said, this will be the beginning, not the end. Thank you very much.
My colleague, His Excellency Mr. Bjornstad, and myself, we started our mandate within the range of 200 relations of our 2 countries, then it is economic cooperation. I must say that we are of the same opinion that political relationship between our 2 countries in the past, with some ups and downs for a couple of decades, maybe 70 years, could be marked with excellent. The economic cooperation has not reflected the same level of cooperation we have in political change, this broad perspective. And it is not up to us. What we have concluded also was something rather simple, although not entirely easy to fix.
Which serves to strengthen the bilateral economic cooperation of the 2 countries. Thank you for choosing Belgrade and Serbia to introduce the first business forum established by mutual efforts of embassies in Belgrade and Oslo.
Overall, a small amount of the trade, I mean 50 million euros annually, it does not send the message of the strategic partnerships. On the other hand, if we can feel the presence of the Norwegian business in Serbia, it's much stronger than you should expect. Okay, thanks to the Telenor, the flagship of this overall cooperation, and basically leads a lot of initiatives, but nothing succeeds as
the Serbian embassy in Norway, where I attended, and it was valuable and very thoroughly and good supported by the ambassador and her staff. Thank you. This paved the way for a process formalizing this forum. And we then had an initial kickoff in Belgrade in the spring this year, and again supported from the Norwegian side with the ambassador and his staff, and professional in the same way as the Serbian embassy. Thank you. Well, the director Arne Danielsen and myself in the fora have in some length discussed and wondered why are we supported in this professional and very good way. We must admit, this is personal of course, I must admit I didn't think that was normal to get this kind of support from the ambassador. That of course was wrong, and that's good. But we saw 2 alternatives. Arne and me are thoroughly good guys. That's one alternative. And the other is this organization, non-profit organization, is long overdue and needed. Speakers as well. Well, in the late 80s, I was a young sales engineer working for Siemens in Norway.